What's up, guys? Welcome to Smoke Sessions. I'm Howard Sue. This is my sister Anita Sue, and today we're with our great friends, the Home Depot, Masterbuilt, and Kingsford Charcoal. Our goal today is to show you some amazing grilling techniques so that you can master your own flavor while at home.
So we're gonna do some searing today at 600 degrees, and we're gonna be making our Vietnamese shrimp lettuce wraps. So let's get going. All right, so now we're gonna have my brother Howard over here help me chop up some of the aromatics. So now guys, we're just gonna add all the other flavors to make it sweet, kind of spicy. All right, so Howard, get your hands in there. Don't be scared of that shrimp now. We're gonna take our shrimp and marinate it for 3 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. All right, so let's just skewer the shrimp onto our pre-soaked bamboo skewers. And we're gonna just kind of flash sear it on both sides. Shrimp's really delicate, so you don't wanna overcook it. Look at those grill marks. The Kingsford charcoal really adds to the smoky crust to these shrimp. My shrimp's looking beautiful. I'm gonna take these off the grill. So now we're gonna make our dipping sauce. Now it's time to set up our plate. I feel like when you're eating, you're eating not just with your taste buds, but with your eyes too. All right, Howard, you wanna dig in?
Yeah. Great sear flavor. Oh my gosh, yeah. Shrimp is perfect.
Really light, refreshing,
That
bright.
lime.
This was so fun. We hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you stop by Home Depot to pick up your Masterbuilt Gravity Series, your Kingsford Charcoal, and we'll see you next time.